Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video will be my nighttime cleaning routine. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Before I start cleaning, I like to always light me some candles, and I'm just using the candle from Bath & Body Works Berry Waffle Cone. I also like to trim the wick of my candle before burning it. It also helps to not create that black soot around the candle, like that black residue, and also the candle lasts longer and it burns longer. So now I'm about to light another one of my Bath & Body Works candles. This is the blueberry pie. So now I'm just adding water to my oil diffuser, and I'm just going to put a couple drops of peppermint in there and get it going. And one thing about this oil diffuser, it changes colors and it's just a whole vibe. I love it. So now I'm just about to start on my dishes. I let the old water out and just put some fresh water in there. So now I'm going to just use my Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent to spray my sink out. So now I'm heading over to the living room, just tidying up in there. So now I'm just going to spray some room spray. It's the Bath & Body Works brand, and it's the aromatherapy line, and it's Comfort. Well, here's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was therapeutic to you guys. And I also hope it was motivating for you to get up and do a little cleaning around your house. I like cleaning up at night. It's very soothing and relaxing to me. And I hope it is the same for you guys. And you can watch this video while you clean, or you can watch it before you clean. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything, it will be in the description box down below. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.